fouls. Come on.
Yeah, their D is crazy.
Get back. Everybody get to your zone. Get to your zone. There you go.
They got good ball movement.
There you go.
Good shot.
Hey.
Swing it.
Move over. Nice.
Good ball. Good look.
All right, get to your zone. Watch over. Everybody
got dish it. Pop.
Good shot. Nice. Watch this side. Watch your back.
Always complain about fouls, alright? Well, they got fouled in the back.
Yo, get ready, get ball.
Gotta finish. Back.
Watch the big. Good rotation. Don't stop. Yep. Keep cutting. Don't stop.
Don't foul. You gotta protect that ball.
Do that, come on, drive the lane, get fouled.
10-7. Gotta hit him.
Alright, get to your zone. Down one. Down.
Swing.
Yeah. That one guy, the guy who dunks, he looks like Barnett a little. Papa.
Good luck. on, finish. Foul him, foul him. Yo, someone. Yeah, King! Let it go.
Help him out.
Give me one.
Flop.
Oh, all right, get back, get back.
Almost two at least.
You have to get the ball. Give me one. Hey, get back. On the ball. Please, Mo.
You're all right.
Get that, dude. Can I get a foul? Play D, that's all. Make him shoot, keep going. Run down with it. Get away from there. Hey, yo, baby.
Joey, get the ball. Joey, you have to get the ball. Not the foot. Get the fucking ball. Walk your foot.
Yo, someone. Yeah, King.
Good take. Keep shooting it. You got it open. He'll shoot the three, Andrew.
Told you they're fucking good.
Get back.
Good pass.
Rebound. Miss it. Come on. Clean, buddy, clean. What tissue?
A trick.
Pop that. Come on. Shoot that if you're open. Don't be afraid.
Chris, can you hand me that water in my food bag? Sorry. Your man. Sorry, man.
Move around, King. That's it. Good way to adjust.
Either 2.5 or 3 a game or something. I don't know.
How many timeouts do we get?
2.5. Okay. We have it. Oh my God.
All right. Get back. Get back.
Push. You gotta push that shit, man. Come on.
Hey, yo, I said, boy, you still got that nose, look. They got a lot of
No timeout.
You want it?
Yeah, timeout.
Fucking tired.
I was tired in my first 2 minutes. Ball movement, guys. Ball movement.
Yeah, no turnovers.
Man.
Ah, shit. Keep it on it. Stay on it. It's all good. All right. Come on, man. Come on. The fucking rebounds. Some bullshit. Dude, I'm surprised I didn't take the ball from you. I was real scared.
Come on, guys. Ball movement. Swing it.
Joey's wide open. Joey's wide open. Shit. See, you guys can get back. All right, let's go. Push.
40 seconds.
45, baby. Make it count.
Ball movement. Ball movement. That's it. Watch the lane. Good D, Wayne.
Make it count. Let's go, boy. Make this count, buddy.
10 seconds.
10 seconds. 8.
Pop it.
Shoot it. Shoot it. Shoot it.
I got 2 seconds. Good to go.
Just a little.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Cases last night, 101.85. Paul George had 27 points.
Like Melo tonight.